Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Natural Health Vibes, where I give you simple but yet sustainable health tips so that you can make healthy a norm. If you are a vegan or if you want to try some vegan food, I have a spot in mind for you, Tassili's Raw Reality Cafe. They have plenty of vegan desserts, drinks, raw kale wraps, and salads that are delicious. So come along with me. I'm headed over there right now. Tassili's Raw Reality is a fast casual restaurant located in Atlanta, Georgia. They specialize in raw vegan cuisine. They provide a unique variety of raw vegan entrees like spicy kale salad, kale wraps, and more. And they cater towards flexitarians, to vegetarians, to vegans who are transitioning to raw exports. So they have a variety of food to meet your palate.
Peace and blessing. I just had the pleasure of meeting Natural Health Vibes. She informed me that she picked up a punani wrap, which is one of our most popular wraps. We have the punani wrap in the south of the border is also very popular. The south of the border being savory and punani being more so on the sweet side. Packed with nutrition, all raw, all organic. You know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong. Yeah. Thank you for coming and please come again.
Okay guys, I'm back at home and I'm ready to try this kale wrap. Alright guys, it's lunchtime. I already ate the other half, so how about me too? It's the last little bit I have.